Hello friends, welcome to VipVid. In this video we are going to download Kali Linux in a Ubuntu system. In previous video I have shown you how to install VirtualBox using terminal command. In this video we are going to install Kali Linux ISO file to run in a VirtualBox. Go to the browser, just type here Kali. Here you will see after it is slow because my internet is slow. Geo 4G, which is slower than BSNL 3G. Okay, you can see here www.koali.org. Just enter here. Okay, it is loading. Page is loading. Now you can see the page. Latest Kali Linux news and tutorials. Here you can see the distribution for Windows also. Let's go to the downloads. Download Kali Linux. Press enter or click here. After clicking the downloads, here you can see here is the Kali Linux 64-bit installer and Kali Linux 32-bit. Here live and net installer. You have to install only Kali Linux installer. Okay, 64-bit or 32-bit as you want to, whichever you want to download, you can download. Now you have to click Kali Linux 64-bit. It will now it is option came to download. Just save. Oh, it is taking 5. I cannot wait for 5 days, so I'm cancelling here. Okay, now we will download this from terminal command. You have to just click there and copy the link address. Now open the terminal command. Now I am opening text editor to paste this. You can see here for confirmation.iso at last. Okay, now open terminal command. Here you have to give command wget space single quotation mark, and here you have to press paste here. After single quotation mark, give single quotation mark and enter. Now it is downloading as usual. You can see the internet speed 9 kbps. 4 days. Okay, I'll come after 4 days. Kidding. Now you can see here I slept for 6 hours. Now you can see after 6 hours it has downloaded in system. Let's see where is this ISO file. In home directory you can see here is a Kali Linux 2020.3 installer amd64.iso. In next video I will guide you how to install Kali Linux in a VirtualBox. Thank you for watching.